taking your affiliate marketing to the next level. Nowadays, the need for effective affiliate marketing plans is on the rise. The demand for programs and products lead to some very innovative marketing techniques. Now is your chance to find something that works for your business. Here are some tips that you can use to get you started with finding what you need. Pick a high-quality product. If you recommend a product that is of poor quality, it will reflect back on you as a promoter. The last thing you want people to believe is that you purposely recommended a product that doesn't work. If you wouldn't trust it, don't ask your readers to. One way to increase revenue from your affiliate marketing programs is to incorporate them into the email communication that you have with faithful customers. If you send out regular newsletters or special offers via email, include a link to your affiliate's products. This is an unobtrusive way to increase the exposure your affiliates get to your customers and thus your potential profits. Do your research on the costs to start an affiliate marketing program. Many newcomers to the industry tend to forget that there are startup costs to this type of business. Keep in mind the setup, transaction fees, the contract minimums that you agree to, maintenance costs and development expenditures. A successful affiliate marketing website has good content that entices visitors to spend time on the website and return to the site. The longer a visitor remains at your website, the more likely the visitor is to click on an affiliate link. Good content encourages visitors to stay and return. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, a great tip is to get as many links back to your site as you possibly can. Link to other sites. Doing this will move your site up the search engine rankings. This causes more people to see your site when they are searching on a search engine, which will generate more traffic to your site. Build trust with your readers. If your readers find your content interesting, they will want to come back and see who you are dealing with. As you have read, there are many different ways to deal with affiliates and to have them work in favor of your business. You need to find the program that works for you. By following these tips, you are well on your way to improving your business's online presence through the use of affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.